Hello, I am Andrameda, and we will speak this day very precisely or imprecisely as per our channel's ability. It seems that it is not always easy to be a channel for divine beingness. Indeed. So, beloved, it is a world in utter chaos, it seems, and we are flailing amongst us. And this is a call for those who are deemed worthy and deemed self-accepting of this worth, of being God's light workers upon the earth, to rally the troops and to lend hope and prayer and poems. Oh, the poetry and the music, beloveds, are so uplifting, and they drive us forward, and they keep us going, and they remind us that there is hope in the worlds, in the universes, that there is hope on this earth in this moment, and it will always be so, that when it seems the darkest and we dig the deepest, there is divinity inside. Oh, God does sing to us inside so deeply within, beloveds. And as we dive into the center of our hearts and our meditations, we are reminded how worthy we are. No matter our skill level, no matter our tasks before us, the challenges we face, there is always something to be given, always something to be created, to be determined, to be inspired, to be enlivened within others, to be spread down the street and down the hill. It is so, beloveds. And the currents of the oceans carry your hope across the oceans to the other side, as light and the collective consciousness are the energies that go out in waves upon the earth. And it is so, beloved. And it is full of darkness right now because there is so much fear in the world. And it is this song within us, the light workers who reach out, who can contact the wave and say, wait a minute, there's a flow of love in this, and we can turn the tide if we reach across the oceans, across the hills and valleys and cities, beloveds, across the states, across the towns, across the villages. It is so, beloveds, that we can unite and change the world through the divine collective consciousness, as we reach out and grow each of us stronger and more divine. It is so, beloveds. It carries and it grows and it makes us stronger. And the wave of light becomes stronger. And the next day when we awake, that wave is still within us, and we ignite it, and we are reminded, and it waves around the earth and around the globe, beloved, around the entire globe. And it's this white emanating ball of God's truth, God's healing, God's love, God's empowerment, as it has reached those hearts within earshot, beloveds, within you, within me, within our channels, and within our songstresses and our poets and the writers and teachers and orators and shoemakers and doctors and nurses and our neighbors, our loved ones, our towns, our bishops. Beloved, it is love that permeates this wave, and love that carries us home, and love that changes the world and changes the light waves that heal, infuses the light waves that heal, infuses with love, charity, compassion, trust, hope, and faith, and ultimate trust in our God, Almighty Lord. Let us carry our hope and our songs, beloved, and let us heal this world. Let us create the miracles of divinity that God has touched us with in these moments. Amen.